Hello there. It's not turning into a bad weekend, bright and crisp, but despite some sunshine, there's a nip in the air, isn't there? And certainly overnight to tonight, it will turn particularly cold, especially where the skies remain clear. Now, across eastern parts of England, we'll keep a bit of cloud here through this evening and into the night, producing the odd shower towards the east coast and enough breeze, actually, to keep the temperatures from falling too low. It's further north and west across parts of Scotland, for example, where it will be clearer, the winds will be lighter, and as a consequence, temperatures will fall lower as we go through the night. And despite a fair bit of cloud for a time across Northern Ireland, that cloud will tend to disperse later on this evening into the night, so a cold one to come here. Clear across much of Wales and indeed southwest England. Any residual patchy cloud will tend to clear away, so it's set to be a clear and chilly night as the winds fall light and the temperatures tumble away hour by hour. So it is across that eastern coastal fringe where we keep rather more breeze, we keep rather more cloud, and the temperatures stay a little bit higher, but the threat of some showers, particularly later on in the night across parts of East Anglia. But for most, dry, clearest further west, and that's where the lowest temperatures will be. 2 degrees in Glasgow, but in rural parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, western parts of England and Wales, we could well see a touch of frost by Sunday morning. What about Sunday then? Well, it stays on the cool side. Having said that, many places will be dry. Some sunshine if you're lucky, but there will be rather more cloud across eastern parts of England. And that cloud will thicken up to give some showery rain as we go through the day across parts of East Anglia and the southeast especially. Elsewhere, largely dry. The best of the sunshine across parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, western parts of England and Wales. Temperatures low to mid-teens at best, so still on the cool side. As we go into the evening and night, so we see further bands of patchy rain spiralling in from the North Sea into eastern parts of England. Some of that could turn quite heavy as we get into the early hours of Monday. Clearest again further west, and once more this is where the lowest temperatures will be as we start the working week. But this is where the driest and brightest weather will be as well. Much more detail for your region over the next few days can be found on the Red Button, page 401, or alternatively by going online.